Hello, viewers, and welcome again to a new episode of your program when I talk to the camera with Miko Nasise. As we dey fast approach the year 2022, we can work at the na capital River Wharf. For talk to about man dem, where we can normally call boatman dem, and for talk to fisherwoman dem, wetin dem dey think about the fishing business right now? And for enter inside the year 2022, wetin na the message wey dem get for the Ministry of Marine? And for people wey can normally grumble say fish business don tranga na salon, make dem hear from the aboman dem wetin don cause this. Let we lis ten to them as dem dey tell we wetin dem get for talk about the fishing business na salon. Hello and welcome to this interview. Tell me your name and who that you been at the wharf.
Mina Mr. Lamin kama mina Botswana. Now myself we get certain constraints that we facing towards fishing. They mostly the about them or the process we own fish. They're not proper. Then we get facing them constraints then we deal with thousands of people them. And if we not can today, when I come for can interview me the big papa government like concentrate to the people, poor people them. What they say they make their small activities in the country. For we side 2-3 people and they up to 500, up to 1,000 people them. They need for make government pay attention they for make them go able to help the poor people them. Because not so we all go sit in our office. The hand they in our office, then now they need to look on real affairs them. Now we individual go able to make care for developer. For the poor people there, for live here, for me they able to sustain them.
So as you dey say una need government for develop here, in what way and how government for develop here?
Well, we want if because we get politician them, we get the Ministry of Marine. The Ministry of Marine, we self can pay license. So now the way that we go able to talk for make we advocate government go able to see to that for make the able can make for winner because the fish what we the fishing we saw the process we not get looking grass for say yeah fine or not fine we see no more yeah also all filthy any day we can clean.
So that the place 9 dirty and not like cancel.
Place not proper, the place not proper really.
So for all to all what you don't talk so what's not the message where they left for the ministry?
Well, we dey plead to Papa government, you are big to the Minister of Marine. Let the can see to we say we can process we fish, we say we can make we sales. And for that no more.
Let it thank you to you. Yeah. Hello, welcome to this interview. Tell me your name.
Zainab Conte.
Zainab, how long you don't take now where you dey sell fish?
Over 15 years now.
15 years now you don't sell fish. Tell me how the fish business start like.
Well, especially this egg business, na Kumbra market. Where we come, we buy the measure for we compete the measure for we buy rubber. Like we boku so today we buy 200, we buy 170. We dey sell 15 for dozen. At times, we dey thank God. At times, the money not can come on. But we can now they sort out with them.
So when at the time they will not notice say the money not they come on and now what in the lead to that day?
Now like we will buy 200 and 200 in the morning. The other boat and go can now compete on by 170. Now who be the percent 2,000 and they pay 15. So we self don't join them. Now they cause the losses at times for we.
So what's not the message where you dey send for inside the year 2022, but how you want for see the fish business na salon?
Well, I dey beg Papa government for let them help we develop this egg in fishing because this are where we depend. And this are Kumbra markets. People in the come out different side they can hire. Any kind where they must can get waiting and they go sustain with their family. Yes. If they able to skanky this fishing for we, it go better for we. Like we now this fish we don't used to. Now the business we don't used to.
Let it thank you to you.
Thank you too.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Tell me your name.
My name is Zainab Toure.
Zainab, how long you don't take where you don't sell fish?
Well, I don't dey pan fish past good 12 years.
What is your experience? Tell me how fish business start like.
Well, right now, the Caribbean fish business, they sell no day. Like right now, we dey buy 170 for rubber. We say they don't buy 170 for rubber. They expect say you forget that 50, 70, we go manage with the family in a house. But now we dey sell no day, but better bad and they come. We dey strain the market. Maybe right now, where they say na public market where all man for go sell. They need agree more we sell lay. Where we go for go put to market and they run after we see to market and say oh, forget this at 500,000. And I need able make 200,000 profits for the. I go get this at 500,000. You say they pull out for it me and my family.
This market so where then they tax una so.
Like this funky market.
Now then they ask una for pay that money dey.
Now the chair lady them, the one they way belongs there, where them be there, they say they forget this star. And me no get that 500 they for go get this star. How me go pay them kind money then they yamun wo they are sell the money. We sell money, we be able to take fish or go na market. Sell no day. Then they run after.
Na so last year be tale.
No, last year I no be there so. You know be ever there so last year we dey go sell na market and they all we but now we toti fish we sell lemon and na toti market to go sell then go they say pass you get this star we no get this star not for sell it and we no get no side forget na here we dey get so do ya me dey beg papa government make them put strict in parent kind thing there because it's like if we sell money we na ya we go na market we go able go fend we really see what we dey eat with we family there like me also don so I get 4 pikin there no get nobody wey dey give me pass at tot market I no able go foolish me sef so do we dey beg papa government make dem strict on dem thing there because if dem dey block woman no sell and no dey get no side again for go and we no use say for Egba go do this that we don use to do fish business. So do ya me I dey beg papa government on that day make them put strict on in or renting a day. If they not put on in, who go stay na ya? Who dey stay?
Let you take it.
Yeah.
Hello ma. Yeah. Welcome to this interview. What's your name?
Na my name Munatu.
How long it don take now wey you don dey sell fish?
You don't take. The year dem boku now.
Tell me about how the fish business start like presently.
The fish business what dey so. What would they buy if you come to that price there? We don't know how they sell. What you can like I boku 1,500, 1,000.
So today the fish boku.
Today the fish boku from then days are all fish boku. So we don't get better profits. They will not get market. Who's how they sell?
So when fish boku na im profit in a day?
Yes. Yes. What fish boku so they get profits.
Why that for me?
It went na the price. Na the way they carry the price. Na the fish bag the way they come. Look at where boku so no dey able get if you buy some say profit wey dey get 10,000 15,000 the highest.
That's not because boku people dey get for sale.
Yes.
So how much now they buy by baff how much you can put am.
And they buy 200 they buy 180 if the fish don count no more to that then they buy them 3 something but all the fish don dey so na 200 so tell wey say the money no dey comot sef pass you take you after your money flop pay.
So what you go tell the Ministry of Marine and the fisherman and concerning that?
Well, man, for me, they go help we. They go help we greatly because one kind of could not get. We pick them, they go school. We go for pay school fee. We go for give lunch. We go for buy book. Now all they so they get time.
Is it that now the small fish you know now one boku or now waiting?
This way it come with the buy. This way it come with the buy. But the high the price they dey na so they buy.
The price na ain't too high.
Yeah, ain't too high. See, so now I make we get pressure from that. You don't see, so we no dey able get better na the place. We go for give lunch, we go for pay school fee, we go for eat, pikin dem go for eat, we go for parent house. So how we go do? So make government try let help we parent side all. Lord see they can do for Lord say get what they do. So that's all.
Plenty thank you too.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Tell me your name and what you do for survive.
Well, actually, I'm a local fisherman because since we are born, I meet people at the fishing, and the fishing back they do. But from last year now, we begin to do this fish here, some difficult things that they meet in the sea.
Tell me about them difficult things then they.
Like difficult things like the trawler, the ambogui, they cut to chain them. Okay, don't like the mepi, they see the mepi lights, but still they cut to chain them.
So the mepi, you call them mepi, right? Alright, now for signal to trawler and say una don't come for fishing.
For signal to the trawler and say yes, we dey around we pan fishing, but still they violate the mepi in lights. they caught with chain then, we give report to the marine officer there, even the master fisherman be aware on that. For say yes now, so the Tolama then ki do it. Most of the chains there, most of the boat there with them pack now, they were fight and they not get chain again. They don't destroy all the chain there. The twin girl they investigate, they show say now the water don't begin the harm we now. Like say now chemical that they put for we by the water they damage the ball stand, the people body then. So now the damage then this way they get through from the water. And master fisherman being aware on that say yes, with the fisherman, the local fisherman they suffer.
When una begin for experience, say una body then done the peel because of the water.
When from last year, we begin to experience them products there. Because the water, you know, they see any ash with itself, they draw the chain there. Now water they should on our body then. Before now they can at the land now, they cause damage in our system. So man at the eye they peel, face all the peel.
How sure una be say what make una sure say na the scholar then they cause this to una?
When are the way I think act to we because even the small fish then where the government be don't slow no fishing then the fishing and they left inside the water, there's Sunday back where they don't cut to chain there, where they chase them back, they can get some threatening things there where they can do it back. If we go to the marine office, now so we kill up we buff.
So what's now the message now where you send to the marine office, the ministry responsible for marine business na Salone?
Well, they send message to the marine office and even the Papa government for making able help we, for making able stop them trawler man there. Because at least we the local fishermen and now we get right for fishing inside. Then the trawler man they then get right for fishing outside. But why they disturb we inside? They discomfort we uncomfortableness. And we get families then. Thousands of people then they will now this sea will survive. But they disturb we for fishing, we fishing for low get we and too much. That the one for level put we at the bad way for go do bad. And most of we na this fish here who don't they survive. So Papa government make able talk to them and they are many left for go to disturb we. Because so many life don't become terrible now. Some man they go fishing inside the week, some man I want to say they go not able round up the week. Even me be what they talks right now, me pass the all harmless. So pain and so have damage then.
Let you thank you to you.
Yeah, thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Do you tell me your name and what you they do for living?
Well, me a fisherman and we depends by fishing. General, I don't fish in over 15 good years. One day since I guess since I start for fishing, one day there was happen with me. But starting from the time now when they say the end scholar they are, let's say they above from the land to the sea, about 150 kilometers off. But right now we capital man there, we run past them, we left the inside, we go out. And the fish are inside in the candy egg. And the small fish all in the cage. At times so they look outside, paddle to our back, and they pull the fish. And this is what I tell
It's smaller than they pull the fish.
Yes. Then they catch that's what's one and they throw them back at sea. So we the local fishermen them, it's over 1,000 people them. We the local fishermen them, and then they live on. From morning till by 12, yeah, people they go in the camp, now they live. But Papa government may do chance for women help we. That's why we in the Paul channel. They begin call something for say we no able make so all to the left part we buffing and we change right side back there all thing there the fishing equipment all thing there. So Papa government many help we and the fishermen them we will stand for low we live in and they go living first because we no get no hope we depend on this fishing and the swallow them back then the money we then they come to change them. Then you throw something in water, one for see that water, they will see to body. If they peel, we private all they peel.
Okay, so the trawler them as you they alleged saying and then they throw away chemical inside the water where they make on our body then they peel.
Since the time we start for fishing, when they know that happened.
So when this start for happen?
It happened from last year up to this time.
Una try for late complaint bodies?
Yeah, yes. We complain this year, but we don't see no effort. Pass we go under medical with the 312. At times we go and see 2 days. All through all the 2 weeks, and we're gonna see again. And not to one girl more. All man for me, I take go Mama Beach. Take go if gonna create this year. This matter the affection, and this matter the affect me.
Concerning this water where you talk say the troller and the same chemical inside this way they make una body then they peel and boil. What you go tell the ministry responsible for marine business na salon?
Well, na dem sabi dem work. So the marine officer there with Papa government now, many able call it troller there now. So many interview them. Wetin cause that? Because they wey work like the troller, if itself we brother them wey dey work there, national put them. Unless we the local fishermen them, this year they affect we, they do not affect them. So now that we say now they need to chemical because from the time we go create this year, one of this incident will be that Apple I see.
Let you thank you to you.
I mean.
Hello to you, sir. My name is Kona Sise from Sierra Network Press. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Me na Ali Mansari, Deputy Abo, Capital of Riba.
Tell we usa we deso.
Yana Capital Riba half.
Capital River Waf. How somebody they do for make it reach now? Usu road they pass.
Which road where they pass? They pass in the road where they pass right. We pass they pass Freeton Road. They can Yankuba Street. Then they can run down Kandona.
How long you don't take now where you don't be deputy Abo master?
Well, from the deputy about na me 2 years this.
2 years you don't take as deputy Abo master. Tell we about this warfare so.
Well, they have the constraint to Boku, according to the fisherman them. The fisherman them, to allow them na sea, they cut the nets, then they come out from the IUZ, then they can right inside to the IUZ zone. Go and say government don't tell them say enough for fishing. Now then they can fishing. And if you see come out, you can't fish in inside it, you can't walk there. Local fisherman there, and then they can cut the nets, spoil the nets, then they can report to me. With the report, we say they tell the ministry. Because now they would help. With them pin we are for them. We say they work for them.
As you say, the troller and the money, the fisherman, then I see. Somebody go wonder because over the years now, people don't they grumble about how fish business strong and a salon. If you say that this they give the cause?
Well, now God will angry no because God now make the sea. We not go see na this because it can come. Time can come fishing all day. Time can come fishing day.
As somebody will get experience pan fish business. Now who stem then so can come way unado I max in the 10 and this way fish can come boku one.
Well, the fishing until I tell you, this fisher now God now give you this. Understand? If you do not boil no more, then we'll find now good thing for we in this country because now the local fisher, the government if for put pressure, if for put hands on the local fisherman then, not to learn troller this because local fisherman then and then they make the come on thousands of people who they survive on this. They can't cancel if you now they look. The thousands of people but could not really say in a morning time they see people well we see these people I don't start sooner. Chain and net. A local fisherman they no more they support the people who they can buy, get 2,000, able go sustain your life, get 5,000, able buy, able get. Understand? Not to all man able eat troller fish. For she pass you go buy troller fish. This local fish in here what they do so now able sustain boku. Take go there upline side. Some they can't dry carrot and go upline for go give people there. People and they die. Me I able get 5-10 dozen. I dry send and go for me people and they bless me. So for that reason, the one leg government put more power to the local fisherman there. Yeah?
What you mentioned say if the all am fine, na good thing. This local fishing. Somebody go wonder what and waiting people go do. We go make the local fishing. They not all am fine.
Well, like what I say, if they hold this fishing fine, understand sir, ma? Let us look. Me, I don't fish in over 30 to 30 something here. Me na fisherman. Understand, eh? But I've been the sea first time with 9, not be one again.
Tell everybody difference.
The difference is Boku. First time fish they can't play, take her inside with the sea. Now fish no they play inside. What think the cause? Lack of management. If anything we not manage fine. Understand, eh? They come over. And government they tell we tomorrow will they do so, will they do so, will they do so. We don't see no improvement. What you get the blame? Now government will they blame. Understand, eh? Because what you do, with the me are they listen. You are they listen radio. Would they see some country there? Where then they guide them see. Then they grill them, poil them see. They see troll speedboat. They see gunboat. Then they guide the sea. But yeah, nothing. Understand? If he protect or no day for protect this sea. Understand? Eh? Let them all poil her. Can you imagine? Sometimes me go down die safe. Me grand picking back could come. This sea go down poil.
We dey go inside the year 2022 now. Tell me about this particular fishing market here, so for this particular shore. What's in now na challenge them una feel say inside 2022 now one for see am.
But the whose market?
This una fishing shore here, so what's in now challenge them way inside the year 2022 una go no go like for go with the challenge and then difficulty then inside 2022.
We they send direct to the government, the minister of himself. Do ya let them guide this ship for we, for let them troll and not spoil this ship for we. Let them let for bank with people let them see. Let them let for cut them tin. Yeah, now fisherman and they go. If you see, look at that man there. He gets some sword there. Then they come on and put people in foot. Understand? Eh? Then they put sword in their hand. Understand? We don't know what happened this water. First we not get her. Me, I don't fish. Like I tell you, I don't fish over 30 years. One day so foot not come on my foot. One day so foot not come on my hand. What you give this course ya nowadays now they go na see. They don't care about boku them. Then they see people and they like they all they peel. Everything they damage them. Understand? Eh? Now that one let government let them check this water for we. Let we know what you give the cost. For meet up this 2022, what you give the cost for let fisherman, local fisherman, they go na see. Sometimes 1 week, it go 2-3 days. You know able to go again na see. What you go able to feed him picking there? How we say we go able to sustain our life there? The poor people, what you then go able to come buy fish for let them go give them people for let them eat. Understand? Eh? Let government take this water for we. They are the big. Then back let them guide we back from them to liar. Let them push them go far. If they push them go far, maybe sometimes fish they can inside. Then they're able to guide this ship for we. They're able to show we who's side for fishing and who's side not for fishing.
Thank you to you.
Thank you very much.
Una don't listen from the aboman them and the woman them where they sell fish. Now the capital river wharf. Una listen as the fisherman them allege say the trawler them na the water now they give them no chance for fishing. As then they go fishing, who side they're not supposed for fishing, where this they make then they strain. And they also allege say that they suspect say then trawler they send chemical inside the water where they make parts them na them body they peel. Then they send message to the ministry responsible for marine business say then for look inside this matter as this don't they cause great harm for them. The fisherwoman they say the year 2022 they want for see big change inside the fish business na salon. Remember say me bring the program can today, my name na Kona Sise. So we meet back to a new episode of Talk to the Camera. They say tata.